Welcome friends! Today, we will play Would You Rather, Cute Animals Edition. Before we start, subscribe to the channel for more fun videos like this. Let's go! Would you rather, dog or cat? Would you rather a clingy animal or an independent animal? Would you rather a dwarf pig or a baby sheep? Would you rather walk a ferret on a leash or walk a guinea pig on a leash? Would you rather play with a dolphin or play with a panda? Would you rather the song of a bird or the purring of a cat? Would you rather have a long-haired dog or have a short-haired dog? Would you rather a dwarf rabbit or a giant rabbit? Who is cuter, a hamster or a gerbil? What you think about this? Would you rather a clownfish or an exotic fish? They look so cute. Would you rather a pony or a horse? Would you rather give a human name to your animal or give a food name? Would you rather an exotic short-hair cat or a Siamese cat? Do you think reptiles are smarter or rodents are smarter? Would you rather have a giant aquarium or have a giant terrarium? Would you rather have a flying squirrel or have a flying fish? Flying squirrel looking too cute. Would you rather taste dog food or taste fish food? Would you rather a small dog or a big dog? Would you rather a scorpion or a spider? This is hard choice because both looking scary. Do you think cats are more intelligent or dogs are more intelligent? Would you rather a long-haired cat or a hairless cat? Do you think dogs are more Machiavellian or cats are more Machiavellian? Would you rather that your animal protect you or that your animals give you lots of cuddles? I choose both. Would you rather see baby turtles or see baby elephants? I loved both of this. Would you rather a parrot that tells jokes or a parrot that gives compliments? Would you rather a leopard cat or a savanna cat? Would you rather pet a baby hedgehog or pet a baby marmot? Would you rather put cloths on your animal or never? Which type of person are you? Would you rather a chameleon who changes color or a jellyfish who glows in the dark? Would you rather have a goat or have a sheep? Both are looking really cute. Do you think dogs are more playful or cats are more playful? Would you rather have an owl or have a rat? I choose the owl. Would you rather adopt an animal or buy an animal from a breeder? Would you rather have a rooster that wakes you up every morning or have a parrot that wakes you up every morning? Would you rather have a pet snake or have a pet spider? Do you think dogs are more affectionate or cats are more affectionate? Would you rather have a dog with blue eyes or have a dog with green eyes? Both are looking beautiful. Would you rather have a homing pigeon to send messages to your friends or have a conversation with a parrot? Who is cuter, a chinchilla or a guinea pig? Would you rather have an intelligent animal or have a cute animal? Comment your favorite animal. For more fun, click on this videos. And like, share, subscribe for more fun videos like this.